Hey guys, let me ask you a quick question. Are you based here in Australia and you're looking to start a business on Amazon? Maybe looking to sell products on Amazon. If you are, stay with me guys, because in this video, I'm going to show, so don't click away, right? Stop, right? I'm going to show you exactly how to go about finding hot, profitable, feasible, viable products to sell on Amazon with little or no competition. And that's probably the biggest thing when it comes to selling on Amazon. Most people don't know what to sell. They have no idea what products are hot, what products are winning, what are people typing in, right? No one knows, right? Well, there is actually a system to it. So I'm going to show you and reveal that in this video right here. I'm going to show you exactly how I find my products to choose. I'm going to show you exactly how to choose winning products for yourself. All right, guys. So I'm going to put a little timer up there. As you can see, right, we're going to start the timer right now, and I'm going to show you in this short time how to go about finding winning products. All right. So I'm here on Amazon, as you can sort of see here right now. Now, with finding products, you want to go after household products that are used either every day or every 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to type in scissors. Now, when I type in scissors, guys, don't just go after normal scissors. You want to kind of niche it down. So you've got scissors that are heavy duty, scissors that are small, scissors that are large, scissors that are industrial, scissors for sewing, scissors for trimming the hems, right? Kid scissors, right? Now, even better, scissors for left-handed kids. How about that for a niche? So we're going to type that into. So we're going to type in scissors left-handed. I'm going to see what Amazon gives us. Now, keep in mind, guys, that when you are searching, as you can sort of see here, we've got a whole bunch of listings here. When you are searching, you need tools. Now, I've got a tool that I use, which gives me all the stats. Now, down the bottom on this video, you can see exactly the tool that I use. Now, I use a lot of tools in my business in finding good products that I choose for myself and for my students, but this is a fantastic tool, all right? So you can actually see right here, it's loading right now. So the stuff that you look for are, you look at reviews and you look at revenue and you look at make sure they're actually turning over sales per day, right? So this is telling me how many reviews they have. Now, what you want to do is you want to go after reviews that are low. So this person here has got 3,000 reviews, right? That's a lot. That is a lot. It's like being up here now and you're down here. If you're starting selling the same product, you've got to really, work pretty hard to go up there, right? So what you kind of want to do is you want to go after the low-lying fruit where they've got great turnover and they're making good money in a 30-day window, but they've got low reviews. So it'd be very fast for you to outweigh them, or actually to outrank them in reviews. All right. So as you can sort of see here, now guys, this is a 30-day revenue, right? So 30-day revenue. So what we want to do is we want to sort by reviews. So I want to obviously go after reviews that are low, and I want to see the lowest reviews, and I want to see basically the highest revenue. All right, and what I'm looking for is products that I can put my brand on it. Now, you guys could do that as well. Is that something you want to do? Build your own brand. You want to put your own logo, your own brand onto a product, because it's so easy to do, but no one does it. It's incredible, right? I hear these stories, people selling these products that have got no names on them. So you want to sell something, you want to build a bit of a brand, you want to build a bit of awareness around your product, all right? So already we're sort of here, see here, opportunity scores, high demand, low competition. That's great, guys. It's a really good sign that it's actually telling me there's really low competition for this product. Now remember, you have to niche. You have to go a household item that's used either every day or every 2 or every 3 days. So fishing rods, probably not, because that's like a someday item, not an everyday item. So someday item, everyday item, right? So you want to go for an everyday item, everyday household item, stuff around the house, okay? Now you want to, again, niche. You want to make sure that it's niche. So not just normal scissors. You want to go heavy duty, industrial, small, foldable, scissors for left-handed kids, scissors for right-handed kids, scissors for kids who've got 2 fingers, like maybe not that one, but you get the drift, right? So as you can sort of see here, the revenue's coming in. So this is a 30-day window. This is what they're making, an estimate what they're making every single month. Now, like I said, guys, if you want to see the tool, it's at the bottom of this video. As you can sort of see down here, right? The link should be displayed there. Get this tool. It is incredible. It saves you so much time, all right? In fact, you can't do it without this tool. So you can see here, This is USD dollars as well, so 6,900 USD dollars. It's left-handed scissors. Now, pretty basic, pretty ordinary. You go down here, $15,000. There's shears. Now, the thing is, they've got so many reviews. So what we're looking for are reviews that are less than 300 is ideal. Now, less than 100 is awesome. That's what we're kind of looking for in this, all right? So you can sort of see here, 23 reviews, and they're making $6,900 USD. Now you have to do the conversion for AUD, all right? I'm based here in Sydney, and I have to do I'm very bad at doing conversions, right? But if you work it out, roughly, I think it's $1. I think it's like 80. I think it's like $8,000, maybe 8,500, maybe AUD for this. That's not bad for a 30-day window, and they've only got 23 reviews. Okay, so further down, this one here's got 10K a month. This one's doing 1,500K a month. Now let's scroll further down. As you can sort of see here, this one right here is standing out. So they're doing 11,000 USD per month. They've only got 67 reviews. They're selling 24 a day, and the best seller rank is ideal is between 1,000 and 5,000. So that's actually really good. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Ideally, less than 300 reviews or less than 100 is even better. They're doing really good turnover. They've got some good daily sales coming in, and the best seller rank, this is the best seller rank, right, is between $1,000 and $5,000. Now, the price point's pretty good. Anything over $100 you don't want to do. So you don't want to be selling something like worth $200 on Amazon. There are people doing it, and there's not many sales, because if something's expensive, they have to go ask their friends or their family or their loved one, right? So keep it cheap on Amazon. Keep it cheap. All right, so this is a potential product. Now, is this something you could put your brand on? Is it something that you could potentially get a logo done, stamp it on your brand? And the answer is yes. All right, so guys, hope you enjoyed this quick tip. There is so much more. Visit my website link. I've actually got a full training, an hour training, walking you through other hot products, really great products that are selling fantastically well on Amazon. I reveal not only this, but I reveal a lot of other strategies to finding great products and launching a business on Amazon. So maybe you're looking at this right now. Maybe you're looking to quit your job, maybe replace your income, maybe quit the 9 to 5, whatever your reason is. I mean, Amazon is a great way to sort of either replace or supplement what you've got in right now. So as you sort of see here, these are real dollar figures. These are figures that people, you know, the 30-day window, what they're doing. So that's if you look at just one of these ones here, back up here for lefties scissors, right? That's 11K USD per month. I mean, that's 120,000 USD dollar business a year. And like I said, they've only got 67 reviews. So this is something that there's a lot of opportunity on Amazon right now. It's something that doesn't require any experience. It doesn't require any technical knowledge. You don't have to build websites, right? You just need to know the formula to finding hot products and finding great quality suppliers. And that's exactly what I've been teaching now for the last 10 years. So guys, grab yourself your free training. You can click the link below or click the link on the screen here, right? My name is Alex Ryan. All right, I'm an Amazon coach. I'm also an importer-export. Been doing it now for 10 years, all right? So Alex Ryan, I'm based here in Sydney. I've been teaching people for for roughly about 9 years how to go about building their business online, selling on eBay, drop shipping, Shopify. I teach the whole thing, right? But Amazon right now is imploding. It's incredible, right? So guys, check out the free video, learn how to find hot products, learn how to launch them on Amazon, and I hope to see you there. Like you said, guys, my name's Alex Ryan, and I really look forward to working with you. Bye-bye for now. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.